Oh! Okay. Whew. I thought I broke a spoon or my pliers.
Or a finger.
I'm not that worried about a finger. Rahina, remember to film an intro for this.
Hey y'all, Shing here once again, bringing you another video by Rahina. Today, she is going to show you how to make rings, not out of fire, out of spoons. If you like it, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe. I don't like the smile at the end.
But guess who got packages? Rahina got packages. So we're gonna open them right now because I'm very excited. Yeah! We're just not gonna talk about the hair and the attire. But yeah. Let's get these packages open. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think this one's the mandrel, the ring mandrel. Ah! Yep, I was right. Ay! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And this is like really good metal, so if like someone attacks you, just hit them. Just hit them. Oh! I just hurt myself. See, that's how powerful it is. Now I gotta go find something to open this. Don't say, oh Lord. Scissors. I got scissors. Scissors. Ay! Okay. Oh, here's the ring gauges to size them. There, it focused. But oh my god. Ah! The ring pliers. Okay. So what I did was I got like the set instead. It's like a ring bending kit. So it comes with like these little metal bars. Things, but this thing is heavy. Okay, so spoon rings. I already cut a spoon. Let's just, there we go. See, okay, so so that's the design on the spoon. Let's hope these work on my spoon, because it said if like the metal was too thick it won't work, but let's really hope. Ay! Okay, these are some heavy duty. Okay, let's just try it. Let's try it. We're trying it. We're trying it. Okay. Actually, oh, I know what I should do. I know what I should do. Okay, we're going to take a trip to the dining room. Oh my gosh, it's not bending. I'm so sad. Ah! Yeah, the metal's too tough.
Is it the wrong pliers?
No, the metal's too tough. So I have to find one of my easier bending spoons. Yeah, that's a little disappointing. But you know what, it's fine. It's fine. Not crying. I came back with more spoons. Okay. So I came back with more spoons just to see if I'm able to bend any of them. I've come down to I hate myself. I've come down to the conclusion that this does not work. You cannot bend spoon rings with ring pliers. You have to have like the whole machine, but that's like $75 that I don't want to spend. Oy. Or maybe I just have to get really thin metal spoons, because let's just bend a really small one because I will only be able to like, wear it on my pinky. Oy. And it's like a tester, you know? Oh, it's all connected. What about this one inside? And I've been filming for 10 minutes and this is like probably the most sad moment of my life, but it's all right. So we're just taking one of us severed pieces and Venmo me money so I could buy the actual ring. Hey, Okay, so we have something. Got that. That's very sad. I do not have my spoon ring, but I have something. So we're gonna deal with it. We're gonna deal with it. Okay, so I'm back in front of a different wall, but at the same table, in the same clothes with the same hair. I also found a spoon so that I don't cry anymore. A spoon that I can bend. Here's the little spoon. That's what it looks like. Very pretty. Very pretty. I wanted to make one out of that. Anyways, so this one I have to cut. And I don't have an electric saw, so I use a nail drill. And I found that measuring in centimeters is the easiest for me. So let's just get into the process. Yep. Okay, that's about 6 centimeters. Getting the little gauge, no, not gouge. What am I talking about? I got the size 6, so I'm measuring that. And yeah, I like the -6. It fits me good enough. So, and I think this is enough for 6. Yeah, it's barely enough. So I'm just gonna cut it right here, and then yeah. So I gotta open my nail drill and show you the bit I'm gonna use to cut it. So here's my nail drill. Then I'm gonna use, to cut the spoon, I'm gonna use this silver piece, this pink piece, and then to buff it a little, this cotton, like, white piece. So I have to go get the little thingy for this. Okay, so taking off this bit and then putting this one on. Okay, and then I put it on like the highest setting. Okay. Oh, I should get glasses. I got metal in my eye. Yeah, I gotta get something to put on these eyeballs. Ah, ow.
What's wrong?
I got metal in my eye.
Go wash it out with water.
Let me stop recording. Okay, I'm back. I washed my eye out, but I'm still gonna be blinking because I could still feel it. But that's, okay. Yeah, I just got these sunglasses.
Where's your reading glasses?
I can't find my blue light glasses right now, and I'm not trying to go into all that looking for it, so.
You can distort your vision by wearing glasses that are already tinted.
Yep. Okay.
Celebrating fiesta party, quinceañera family all together. We can be as one.
Okay. Gonna try to fold it. Okay, there. And it's separated. So now I'm just going to buff out the edge so it's not super sharp. So changing, oop, and it fell off. Changing the tip to this cotton one, and I didn't even have to use my silver one. And then We're gonna turn on the speed a little, and then
Everybody dancing, baila, move your feet and salsa, feel the
I have to go in with this because it's so sharp. Okay, turning down the speed all the way.
rhythm, got to hear the beat. Come celebrate with
Okay. Okay, that's better. And then going back in with this buffing band. Tip, bang.
salsa, feel the rhythm, got to hear the beat. Come celebrate with me.
Okay. It's all buffed out and I got the little piece done. So that's what it looks like. So that's what it looks like, all buffed and everything. So it's time to measure it again and then get these pliers to work. Get them to work. 'Cause I want my spoon ring. Okay. So, oh, the back is super pretty too. Hold on, let me show you guys. The back. See how pretty that is on both sides? So that's the back. That's the front. So yeah. Okay. So it's measuring at a little above 6 centimeters. Yeah, it's like 6.2. But yeah. Okay. So time to bend this thing. Yeah. I'm so excited. So excited. Okay. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it's actually bending. That's kind of hard though. Okay. Then. Oof. That was harder. Oof. The top is harder because it's thicker than the middle. But I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. It's happening. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm almost there. It's just so hard. I'm not giving up, but I'm giving up. Maybe if I put it on my thumb and say that it's done. So see, look, here's it on my thumb. So that's so you could tell it's pretty big. But it has like that. See, the thing's not flipping. I don't know how to show you. The thing's not flipping downwards. Maybe if I get my hammer. Yeah, I'm gonna get my hammer. Okay, I'm back. And I got my handy dandy hammer, Mr. Niken. So, okay. But you know what? I'm just gonna call it a success. Because if you like put it on this way and then like turn it around and you don't look at like the whole thing, it's a spoon ring. It's somewhat of something. Maybe if I hammer it on my finger. We're calling it a success because yeah. Today has been slightly disappointing, but slightly exciting. We're just gonna leave it at that.
More disappointing.
Let's just leave it at that. Thank you. Yeah, that's my attempted spoon ring. I'm still gonna post this video. I used my attempted spoon ring. Ha ha ha. I guess that's it for today. I'm going to bed.
You get up on mine?
Yeah, pretty much. Ooh, wire rings.